Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to continue the chapter reported speech. This is second part. So here in this video we will see that next rule we are going to learn that simple present, if the sentence is in simple present tense, it will change to simple past tense. Now I'll keep on giving the example. Let me write the rules first. Second is, if the sentence is in present continuous, then it will become past continuous in indirect speech. This is direct and this is indirect speech. So if we will find the sentence is in present continuous, it will change to past continuous. So in the same way, present perfect will change to past perfect. And that same way, simple past will change to past perfect. So today we are going to learn these things. Now let us take an example of this. Simple present. If your question is, suppose he said, I am not well. Suppose this is question. So this is reported speech, reported verb, sorry. This is reported verb. It is in past tense. Now this is sentence we have to see. I am not well. This is present. This is simple present tense. I am not well. This is simple present tense. According to the rule, simple present tense will change to simple past. So here we will make, he said that he was not well. So this is, he was not well is in past tense, simple past tense. So this rule we have to follow. This is first one. Now the question if arises, why we have not used told instead of said? The reason is because there is no listener he has mentioned. No listener, the person who is listening, it is not mentioned. He said to whom? It is not mentioned. So in this case we can use the word said as it is. Now present continuous. Let us take an example. He said, suppose I am writing, he said, my master is writing a letter. Now you see, my master is writing a letter. Present continuous tense, it will change to past continuous. So we will write, he said that his master, we are using my for he. So his master, past continuous, his master was writing. His writing will change to was writing a letter. In the same way, we will move to, this is first, this is second, this is third. Now we are moving to third one. That is, present perfect will change to past perfect. Let us take an example. Sorry, third one will start from here. Let us take an example that he said, suppose I am taking an example, I have passed the examination. I have passed the examination. Have or has word is used here. So it is present perfect. I have passed the examination. So it will change to past perfect. So we will write, he said that he had. Had will change to had. He had passed the examination. I hope this is clear to you. Now the last one which I have dealt with, that is simple past will change to past perfect. So we will see this one also. Now take an example of simple past. Suppose I am writing, he said, the horse died in the night. This is simple past tense. We have used by the word died, we can see the horse died in the night. So we will just mention simple past will change to past perfect, means we have to use the word had here. So we will write, he said that the horse had, because in the past perfect we use only one word, that is had. He said that the horse had died in the night. Last night, not it is given in the night. So one example of each I have given here. As you can see, just to go through it, this all we have to just concentrate only on this rule for today. Go through these rules. One example I have explained here, and what you have to do is you have to solve 5 questions from simple past tense. You have to convert into simple present to simple past. 5 questions you take from any book of present continuous, and you have to convert into past continuous. So 5 means 5, 10, 15, 20. Total 20 questions as a homework. It is 20 questions of 5 each category. You have to write and solve the answers by your own and submit the copy in the class Google Classroom. I'll be just seeing it. Till then, take care and have a nice